Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alaya Azminur with the last name 1037 from class A, Resolving Workplace Conflict. The materials discussion conflict in the workplace, which occur when one person needs interfere with another person needs and the parties disagree about how to meet their needs. Conflict can have a positive or negative consequence depending on how they are identified, faced, and resolved. Some of the reasons behind a workplace conflict include different communication styles, change, prejudice, and incompatible goals, expectation, or flaws. Negative handlings methods of conflict include avoidance, acceptance, accommodation, and fighting. Behavior which can negatively impact work performance and enthusiasm. To resolving conflict, it is important to deal with the by listening your thoughts and feeling, evaluating the situation, acknowledge your contribution to the conflict, and setting a time to talk directly. In addition, the steps to resolving conflict include identifying the problem, active listening, exploring solution, and responding according to the agreed solution. When conflict cannot be resolved between two parties, inflowing an impartial third party to the intervene can help this stop could inflow a human reshuffle mediator or attend a conflict resolution workshop. It is important to talk your boss before conflict resolve and the conflict occur when the needs of one person interfere with the needs of another. When the parties disagree on how to meet their needs with different people working on organization can be difficult to avoid conflict. Conflict can have a positive or a negative consequence both on individual and team performance. The difference depends on your ability to identify, confront, and resolve this conflict appropriately. By learning to handle conflict well, you will increase your success and the success of your organization. Resolving conflict. Before you sit down to talk, make sure you are in control of your emotion. If the talk become combative or overly surface, take a break or reschedule it for a time when emotions are not in control of the situation. Identify the issues that your needs in a respectful and honestly manner, but be aware of the needs of the other person involved. Communicate the problem without placing blame on the other person. You will avoid eagerly. You convert Listen actively, give someone else a chance to fetch his or her own thoughts and feelings. Use your active listening skills.